Hello children, how are you all? Hope you all are keeping fine children and doing your work hard at home. Children, today I am going to start chapter 15 from your geography book, and that is agriculture. The chapter is divided into four parts. Today we are simply taking the heading agriculture. We will talk about general agriculture. Now children, what is agriculture? Now I will show you will be seeing in the next slide that what the meaning of agriculture. Primary activity which produces most of the food that we consume, that means we eat or take. The word agriculture is derived from the Latin word ager, means field, and cultura means to grow, means that growing crop on the field. This is known as the word. When we together add the word, then we get a word that is agriculture, an art of cultivation of soil, raising crop and rearing poultry and livestock. Means not only growing crops but also rearing raising crop, rearing poultry and livestock, cattle and other things is come under the heading of agriculture. India is an agriculturally important country that you all know very well. We often talk about this in Hindi that Bharat Krishi Pradhan Pradesh hai. Understood? Largest sector producing around 28% of the GDP. Now largest employer providing more than 60% of the jobs. This based on the agriculture, 60% of job people get. Besides food, it produces raw materials for industry. Some agricultural products like tea, coffee, spices, etc. are also exported. Now children, you know that in agriculture many industries are based on agriculture. Now it is written here tea, coffee, spices, that all is grown, isn't it? So these all are based on the agriculture. Even rubber, if we talk about rubber, that also we get from the tree itself. So lactic that we collect to make rubber, that also we get from tree. Then silk, again we get cotton, all these materials that we get through agriculture. That means children, agriculture is very very important in our life, and it is very important for our economic growth of our country, children. Now children, though it is very important, there are many problems based on this regarding the agriculture, children. So children, before we come to the agriculture, I will go through the importance. Here the slide I am showing you so that you can go through it whenever you get time. And now children, we will talk about major agricultural problem of India and various government activities. Now maybe in the chapter government activity is not given, but we will take major agriculture problem of India. Before I talk about that, children, I will tell you few importance of agriculture. Agriculture plays a significant role in the Indian economy. It produces food for our expanding population and fodder for our livelihood. Then it generates working capital for non-agricultural development, supplies raw material. This all you know, children. It provides large part of the market for industrial good, especially the farm inputs like fertilizer, pesticide, implements, machinery. It accounts for a sustainable portion of Indian export. It provides employment to millions of people. Naturally, children, people, those who belong to the work of agriculture or related to agricultural work, those who take the this crops from field to the industry. In industries, these raw material are turned into finished goods, then they are taken to the market. During all this, many people are involved. So many people, large amount of number of people get the job or employment based on agriculture. Now children, though India is a agricultural land, despite of the number of effort being made for agriculture development. Agricultural yield in India is still low in comparison to the developed countries of the world. This is caused by the severe uh, it is based because of the many kind of problems, and these factors are grouped into few categories. Children, in your book they are given economic factor, then industrial and other factor, technology. Here I am giving you, showing you in the slide some problems. After seeing this we will read the book also, but in the slide they have given you extra information regarding the problem. The problem of small and fragmented holding in more serious in densely populated and intensively cultivated states like Kerala, Bengal, Bihar and eastern part of Uttar Pradesh, where the average size of land holding is less than 1 hectare, and in certain part of it it is lesser than that. Means the farmers, they have very small portion of land. uh, though there are some farmers who have large number of field, large area, but most of the farmers hold very small land, so whatever they grow it not sufficient for them, so they cannot sell it. They use whatever they grow, they consume, it is consumed by their family only. So that is why this is one factor. Another factor is, children, here they are showing you the percentage of area operated to total. So here, children, I don't know you will be able to understand this, so we'll move to the other place. Now for every agriculture to grow the crops, seed is needed. Now children, it better the seed and the better is the cultivation. Now the farmers are not so rich in our country so that they can buy a good quality of seeds. So what happens, seed is a critical and basic input of attaining higher crop yield. Means when we grow good quality seed, then only whatever is yield will be good. Means if we are planting, if we are putting the poor quality of seed, then naturally the crop will not be good. So if we talk about, when we are talking about your studying or education work, we say more and more you study, the better marks you get. Less study, if you work less, you will get less marks. In the same way it happens with the crops. If the seed is of good quality, then whatever when they plant the seed, when they grow it, then they will get better yield of crops. But that is the main problem again here, that unfortunately good quantity seed are out of the reach of majority of farmers. That is because farmers are very poor in our country, so they don't have sufficient money, or financially they are so backward that they cannot go to the market or proper place to buy good quality seeds. That is why they have only whatever seed they are available, they grow, they plant that only, and so the yield that they get is very poor, especially small marginal farmers, mainly because of exorbitant piece of better seeds. Now children, so children, what happens, because again it is very common thing, children, because of the lack of good quality seed, which most farmers cannot get, so the yield they get is also very poor and very less. So children, two problems I have discussed just now. Later on in the next class I will discuss more problems. Children, go through the lesson, and in Zoom class, I think Tuesday we have Zoom class, so in Zoom class I will explain you the chapter again. Rest of the problem I will take in Zoom class, and by the time, children, you go through the previous lesson, if you have any problem we will discuss that in the class. Take care of yourself, children. Have a good day.